How to do keyword research for a brand new website. Hello everybody, myself Antor from Earning Acceleration, and this is our keyword research for a new website part 2. In part 1 I have showed you how you can do manual keyword research and how you can collect keywords from using Google own search engines. In this video I am going to share with you a paid tool, and which is Ahrefs. So in this video I am going to show you how you can do keyword research for a new website using Ahrefs. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, you can see in the screen that it is the Ahrefs, and if you are interested to buy this tool with a discount, you can check my description. I will put instruction how you can purchase this tool with some discount. So now, to do keyword research for a completely brand new website, at first I will suggest you to collect some topics related to your niche. You can do this by following my previous video on which I show you how you can do manual keyword research. So collect at least 3 to 4 topics related to your niche from the Google, and I have already collected these topics from Google. So I will use these to search on Ahrefs. So to do keyword research for a new website from Ahrefs, you have to at first go to the keyword explorer, and then we will use Google here, and you can select the geo as United States. Now let's say, for example, we are going to work with these keywords, so let's copy them and paste them. Okay, I have to put comma after each keywords. Okay, now after putting the keywords, you have to click on the search button. Okay, click on the search button, and then you have to go to the related terms and wait a little bit. There you see we got 14,408 keywords, but we don't going to take all of these keywords. At first, all you have to do, you have to use the filter bar to get more relevant keywords with which we are going to work. Let's say, for example, I would suggest you to take the keywords from keyword difficulty with 0 to 20. Okay, 22 is also be good enough, and then we will also get keywords with global volume of minimum 200. I can suggest you to put it at least 150, not more than that. After using these terms, you can click on show results, and here you see we got 2,235 keywords. So you can collect these keywords, but I will suggest you to do one more thing, and that is click on the parent topic, and the keywords will be organized based on the parent topic. Means a main keyword through which a multiple variation of that keyword is used. Here you can see YOSMITE free camping. I don't know what it is means, but related to these parent keywords there is a lot of variation of keywords. So you can organize these keywords through parent topics, and then you can see the results. Here you can see the search volume and the global search volume. So after then you can select all of these keywords and you can export them, and if you click on export, they will be downloaded as an Excel sheet. If you want to see the search result on Google, how it is look like, you can click on the search button. Let's say, for example, what does camp mean? If we click on this, you will see the Google search result for United States is look like that. So now you got the keyword list, but you can't choose all of the 2000 keywords for your website. So you have to select the relevant keywords by working which you can be successful. So first of all, from the search result you have to see, is this keyword is informational or is this keyword is related to a business. So if this keyword is informational, then you can select this keyword. Also you have to see for which websites are ranking for these keywords. For example, I have clicked on the question that can be camp. So here you can see what does actually I have searched for what does camp mean, and here you can see bbc.com is ranking for this keyword, and dear nearest state.mn.us, maybe this is also a news media, so you can't select this keyword as your primary keyword. So now let's go for another, or waterproof tent Walmart. Here you can see if you work well with this keyword, you can easily got rank on Google. So if we see the SERP result, wait a little bit, and here you can see Walmart is ranking. This is a business type of website which shows the waterproof tents in tents tools. If you write an informative article on this keyword and put your affiliate product link, then your article will easily got rank on the Google first page. So you have to be careful while you are doing keyword research with Ahrefs. For example, you have to search keywords from the keyword explorer and then use the search keyword difficulty filter button and use global volume, and then collect keywords from there. You can export the keywords on a Google Excel sheet, and here you see these are the keywords. You can see the parent topics and search these parent topics by your own instead of watching the using the search section on Ahrefs. Now I want to show you another thing. You can use the filter include if you want to looking for specific keywords, like if you wants to get informative keyword, you can use what, where, which, and each of the word must be separated by comma. How, when, tips, best, and if you want some product keywords, then you can suggest as tools, suggest, cheap, etc. If you click all word, then your search result will be shown if all of these words contain on each keyword, but we would like to suggest with any word. That means if a keyword contain what, it will be shown on the result. If a keyword contain where, it will also be shown on the result. So after putting this keyword, just click on apply and then click on show results, and here you can see we got 98 keywords related to our questions, and these are the keywords which you should target because these keywords are informative. At first you must write 20 to 25 article on informative on a particular category, and then you can write 2 to 3 product based keywords or product review. You can also exclude keywords with having irrelevant terms. Let's say for example we are going to exclude all keywords having these terms. Click on exclude and put a comma to separate each keywords. Let's say for example we are not going to use this YOSA might etc, and then click on apply, and keywords containing these words or phrases will be removed from our search result. So we can get our relevant keywords by this way from Ahrefs. But as their Ahrefs have some limit, I will suggest you to go with SEMrush because SEMrush has no limit and you can do any type of keyword research using SEMrush. So guys, now I think know how you can use Ahrefs to do keyword research for a brand new website. Ahrefs shows the most relevant keywords and exact results for any keywords in any of the tools available in the internet, but as Ahrefs have some credit limits, you must be careful about using the credits of Ahrefs while doing keyword research, or you can go with SEMrush because SEMrush doesn't have any limit for keyword research. In the upcoming video I am going to show you how you can do keyword research using SEMrush. Also don't forget to check my playlist on keyword research. There are a list of keyword research techniques and upcoming keyword research videos will be available on this playlist. So guys, that's it for today. I think you know how you can do keyword research for your new website using Ahrefs, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like the video. If you have any query about any topic, then don't forget to comment below and share this video to your friends. Thank you.